drawing. See what you caused me? I'm loving it though. I love you. Okay. This is my little book. And this is the little cool book. I think I did it. I can't believe I got it now. And it folds back up just like it's supposed to flat. I did it right. There you go. There you go. You're a good teacher. See that? Love it. Okay. This is a big thank you from your big sister. And this is what the album looks like. Drum roll. Da da da. It's a thank you from Big Hop to Little Hop. I used the cover, the extra cover from the video you gave me. So this is a thank you. There you go, and there's the back. And it's all ready to have stuff put in it. Ooh, cool. I'm really impressed. Thanks, this is cool. I had no idea that you made that album yourself. It looked store-bought. This one doesn't. Yours did. Thank you. Alright, stop. I'm back for one last unveiling, okay? This was the finished product, and now I'm going to open it so you can see it really works. This stretches, see, it's a blood pressure band, I believe. Okay, and then you go like this. You go like this. And you open it up. Like this. And like this. And look at this, see? Okay. Back up. There right. Holding it back shut. There you go. Everyone knows. This is my first little coding book in my whole life. Shante, Shante, sing a little Paris song, boop, boop. That's it. Good night. I really did have fun. Love you. Bye. And stop.